Namaskar friends, keep learning with Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in this session we will understand India-China trade and political relations. Okay, so what is our trade relation with China and what is the political relation with the China? We will try to understand in this session. So first we'll understand trade relations. So under bilateral trade, India and China have a strong economic ties. Okay, so with bilateral trade exceed $100 billion. Okay, so we can understand what is the import export India export with the China under this bilateral trade $100 billion. Okay, then import export. So India mainly import the electronics, machineries, chemical from China, and while exporting iron, pharmaceutical, agriculture products. Okay, so we already discussed in the previous two session where we have only completed the what product we import from China, and another session under which we cover what product we export to China. Okay, so you can check out this session. Then trade deficit. So India faces a significant trade deficit with the China due to the higher import. We import multiple product, wide range product from the China. So we always face this issue like a trade deficit. Okay, while importing we have to pay foreign currency to China, and while exporting we earn foreign currency in India. Okay, so these are the difference due to trade, which called trade deficits due to import export difference. We import much and we make payment much to China. Now we will talk about the trade, political relations. So border tensions, so ongoing dispute, especially in Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh, have a strained ties. Okay, so we can understand there is a tension which is especially Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh border dispute. Now, diplomatic engagement. Both countries participate in form like a BRICS and SCO, but have a difference on the religion, security, and trade policy. Okay, so we in under political relations, both countries participate in the BRICS and SCO, but the difference on the religions, security, and the trade policy. Now, economic restriction. India has imposed restriction on the Chinese investment and security reason. Okay, so now in the current days, India imposed the restriction on the Chinese apps. Okay, Chinese investment in apps for the security reason. Despite tension, both nations continue trade and diplomatic dialogues for the mutual interest. Okay, for the mutual interest for the both countries, the trade is continue. Okay, but on other hand, for the security reason, we have imposed the restriction on the Chinese investment in apps. And we know the 1962, the Sino-India War. Sino-India War, under this conflict, India and Chinese uh, centered the primary dispute on the Aksai Chin region along with those countries' border. Okay, so we know that China is our neighbors and long boundaries we share with the China. So under this, we have a multiple dispute point. But in 1962, there was a war. Okay, due to this Aksai Chin region. Okay, so guys, in this session we have tried to understand India China trade and political relations. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.